some time ago on my object-oriented programming classes, I had the assignment to make something like inventory management in C++ in pairs. I decided to work in pair with Mr. Pop. I worked with him before on the other project where we had to make something like human benchmark in Python. So we made AI Gaussian chart and Smash and Pass, but it got the highest grade, so it was worth it. We had a couple of ideas. We had like a point and click game, mobile idle game, roguelike, but we finally decided to work on the puzzle game with that. When you move the player, the selected tile in the inventory moves too, and you can just not move in the inventory. The inventory always moves, almost. We decided to work on Godot. That was our first idea, which failed because Godot is actually not that good with C++, as I previously thought. It took us a week to make some basic stuff, and then we decided to switch to Raylib. It's like the simple library. It doesn't matter, but I recommend it if you like games in C++. And even though I hate C++, it's like it's good. Good. As I said before, when you move, the inventory also moves. When you step on the item, it is added to your inventory on the place you have in the inventory space, so you can use it immediately or hold it for later. Like this bad flow when you step on this red one with the exclamation mark. When you step on it, it either destroys your shield, destroys your shield, or you just lose, or die and like lose, so restart the level. So the only way you can step on it is just by using the shield, which you have. It's called analytic shield, as you can see here. I cannot see here. I'm talking to the camera, but you know. Yeah. So I decided on a simple art style, which is like pixel art 16 by 16. As you can see, it's really simple. There isn't like much to see, but it's like you kind of connect everything, how everything works more by colors and by shapes. It's not bad, it's like just really simple, but it saves me a lot of time. The only animation that now is playing in the game is this idle, which is like cool, I believe. It's like fun. I didn't spend much time on it, but it's cool. I was consistent because of my paranoia, because I wanted to make the best game, and I was scared that people would work on the game more. So that helped me a lot. Also, if someone's interested in the color palette, is EDG32, or you can like see it somewhere here. I don't know. I don't remember the full name. In the project, we used some AI to help ourselves. We didn't generate the game. It was like that. We used it to help for exporting because it was really hard, and we had like not that much time left. And we used Copilot, which, to be honest, for me at least, wasn't that good. It was adding like random code or random comments that I didn't need. And sometimes it was deleting the code I wrote because it had the mistake instead of correcting it. But I mean, it wasn't like also like that bad. It helped in some cases to save time. But even though we used AI, the clean code wasn't there. Basically, the brackets, the variables, everything like you can have in code is like really messy. Like normal person, if normal person would look at it, they would just kill themselves. Like that's how it was. And the funny part is when we can have the items, not any normal person would like to have the information about the item and you display the item. What we did is we display the item, gather the information from this PNG of the item that is connected to some information, and then we display it again with the information, which is like really efficient and correct, but it works, so it's like, okay. when you show it for the first time, it get a lot of good feedback and people like it. It was the best work out of the presented ones. It was then. But because of that, we had a high expectation, which we got the more work. But I was happy to work on it with these results. So we had like 1 week left. 1 week left. There's 1 week. There was 1 week left to fix it and improve it, because not everyone finished the game. We had like already finished product. What I thought we'll do is just add simple polish, exporting, and everything like that. And so Mr. Pop decided to make entire level editor. It's like was another project. So all the work rests for like polishing, writing SRS, which is like another document that took me like 30 pages, was on me. I mean, he did like really good work. I mean, it took him another 1,500 lines of code, but we had to work even more than previously. And when the final result was like, I believe it still was the best. We got again highest grades, and people, I was really happy because people remember the name, Fabricated. I mean, people like when were talking to me, they're just mentioning the name. I was like proud of it because I decided to name it that way. And this like cool work of RPG that Micholex and Kanciasty, this Discord game, of course, made, which like was really cool. It wasn't finished product, but it had a lot of stuff which like I believe it was really cool, and I got kind of inspired to make even the sprite of like a girl, just because I watched their work. I had a lot of fun on this project after all, and I'm happy how it turned out, I think. You can play the game on itch.io. You can have link in description. Please play it. Now it's only accessible on Windows. I'm not sure if it will be accessible on any other platform because no. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. The quality I see is like great. I cannot speak words correctly. Yeah. Also, I unlocked all jokers in battle during that, so I'm happy. Yeah, I know it's connected. Bye.